Okay, today I'm going to be attempting to make a kill shot mount for their 5-inch handheld. Uh, I've already made it, and I did it with a square hole, but I don't like it because it has the round edges. Uh, on a 3D builder, you can import images straight off of Google or whatever you want. So I just got that kill shot right off of a picture of it right off here, and for some reason it's kind of weird. Like it has like pixelated edges and stuff. But I just got the base measurements and everything from top and bottom, and
Come on,
just got
man.
the base measurements. So I'm just going to make a square and place it over there, and going to get a circle and cut it into fours, and it should work.
Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love. Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling.
Okay, you just play with it for a while.
That's what she said.
Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love. Cause we be on a tough love.
Thing that is nice about this thing, it seems to have a deal where it self-centers and stuff. So pretty sure it self-centers anyways. Yeah. The same Z settings, so they should be straight. Okay. For this, I did divide them up, but I was just thinking you can just do this. I can just copy or duplicate and rotate. But I mean, I guess you could just slide over too. You can do it either way. Or if you do duplicate and just rotate, at least that if these are divided unevenly, it would make it more even. So I guess I'll do it this route. I'll duplicate. Guess we'll duplicate and we can mirror for the other side. Pretty sure it has that option.
Wait a minute, Josh, a minute. Yes,
Over here.
I can't see. What? Something's happened to my eyes. I can't see.
You can't see. He can't see.
Yeah, there's a mirror. Okay. So for this other side, we're just gonna mirror this and slide her straight over. Oh man. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do is copy, paste, and then you wanna duplicate, or not duplicate, but mirror. Golly. Mirror that unit. Slide her over. And there you go. You got that there. Then you can just rotate this 90 degrees. Oh, wrong direction. Rotate this 90 degrees. Slide her up. Okay, now we can just got a copy, paste, and mirror, and just slide over to this other side, and then all you gotta do is do this measurement here, minus 22 on there, and then you can put your little filler panel on there, and then you should be good to go. And okay, this is that 82 minus 22, so it'd make it 60.
Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, cause you know we gon' fly.
Okay, once you get all your shapes all centered up and everything, you just look it all once over one more time, just the main ones. Make sure they're in the right positions. Okay, it's just 0.1 off. So that's the only difference there. Now what you're going to want to do is turn on sticky selection. Select all these things that are connected to this. I guess I delete all this mess I got over here. I need to I guess it'll be alright. Okay, once you get all that stuff selected, you want to group. Now you got one solid object. I turn sticky selection off. Delete all this mess I got going on over here. And I can just take this picture for reference. And it looks like it's right. So now all they got to do is drop this straight down. And subtract it.
Hold it! What the hell is that shit?
And oh man, that could have worked.
3 days later.
Okay, if you got an object like mine, that I guess just can't be as precise as you might think. Okay, on the X. I'm gonna go just a hair bit bigger. 0.2, just to make sure. Then on this other one, I'm gonna add another 0.2, 6. I just wanna select all, merge. Okay, and then you should have it's exactly like it's supposed to be, and there's probably an easier way of doing it. Maybe I don't know. This ain't too bad. It's all right if you have a good image, and seems like it's a real good way to make rounded edges. Makes it exactly like you need, and that's all there is to it.